Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Android Studio and a compatible JDK are installed. This gives you the build tools and compiler. Once done, open New Project and choose Empty Activity with Java. This establishes app structure and Gradle files. Make sure to select the correct Android SDK and minimum API level so your target devices match. Then connect a device or configure an AVD in the Device Manager. These first steps create a working workspace, so you can write and run Java code immediately. Now implement core features by editing main activity. Java and its layout XML. This is where logic and UI meet. You'll create views, wire them with Find View by ID or enable view binding for safer references, and place strings and images in res folders for localization and reuse. Once you add actions, use intents to navigate and shared preferences or SQLite for simple persistence. Make sure to declare required permissions and components in Android Manifest. XML, so the system grants access and registers activities correctly. Finally, build and run the app. Watch Logcat and the run window for runtime messages and exceptions because they point to exact failures. If behavior is odd, set breakpoints and step through Java code with the debugger to inspect variables and flow. When ready to release, optimize APK via ProGuard/R8 and update versioning in Gradle files. Troubleshooting tip: if builds fail, clear caches and run Gradle sync. Dependency or manifest conflicts are the most common blockers. Address them first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.